Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss about don't cares. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. A Boolean function is said to be completely specified if it is given 0 or 1 for every combination of input variables. Some function they are incompletely specified, or there exist some functions which are not completely specified. Okay, combinations for which the value of a function is not specified are called don't care conditions. I hope you have not understand anything from the statements. Let me discuss in detail. Let's take an example. You want to convert a BCD to XS3. Can you do it or not? Yes, we already discussed how to convert a BCD number to XS3 format. Now let's take that you have 1001, which is what? Which is a 9. In XS3, how it will be represented? It will be represented as this 9 plus 3, which will be 12. XS3 itself is saying you have to add the 3. So 12, it will be 1100. Are you able to understand? So this is what the BCD to XS3 conversion. Suppose if you have a BCD number, binary coded decimal, you have 000, which is 0. For 0, XS3 format is 0 plus 3, so you will get 3. So how you will represent 3? 0011. So this is the BCD to XS3. Now when we take the BCD to XS3 conversion, obviously, let me erase this one and write it. Let's take the BCD. Now how many inputs will be there? A, B, C, D inputs will be there, and the output again it will be 4-bit number. W, X, Y, Z, let me take it. Okay, now 000, you will have 0001, 0010, 0011, like that up to 9 you will have. Am I right? Why 9? I will discuss it for you. 9 is what? 10001. Now you can tell me that, sir, with 4 binary variables, I can get the 16 combinations, because 2 power 4, 16 combinations I will get. But why you are stopping up to 0 to 9? Because it is a decimal number. 0 to 9 only you will have. Are you able to understand? So the XS3 format values will be like 0011. For 0 you will get 3. For 1 you will get 4. Will you agree with me? For 2 you will get the 5. For 3 you will get the 6. Okay. For 4 you will get the 7. For 5 you will get the 8. Okay. For 6 you will get the 9. Are you able to understand? 9 is 1001. Then you will get the 10, 1100. Then you will have the 11. Are you able to understand? This is 6. Then you will have the 7. Okay. Then you will have in the input 8. In the 9 also you will have. Okay. This is 10. 10 where it is? 10 is missing. This is 8. This is 9. Okay. This should be 10. Okay. Then 11 is what? 1011 is the 11. Then you will have 9, 12 will be there. Are you able to understand? In the BCD, if it is 0, in XS3 it will be 3. 000, then 001, because you have to add 3 for it. Then if it is 1, it will be 4. If it is 2, it will be 5. It is 3, it will be 6. It is 4, it will be 7. Like that. When it is 9, you will have the 12. But now if you see that for the other inputs, we are not bothering what is the output it is giving, because we don't have the inputs. So in the remaining places, like from the inputs from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because these are the combination of inputs we are not considering here. So then what is the function is producing, we does not bother. Am I right? Because we are not bothered about the input, we are not giving the input. What is the output this function will give, we does not bother. So there we will keep the don't cares. How I will keep it, I will discuss now. So how to represent such function, I will discuss. Let me discuss with respect to the sum of products. Okay. Now when I am representing the sum of products, let's take this function w. Okay, this function w I am representing. How I will represent in the sum of products? First I need to find the min terms. How I will identify the min terms? Wherever the ones are there. Are you able to understand? These are the min terms. Am I right or wrong? Now what is this one? For 0 you got this output, for 1 you got this output, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the sum of products of this function you will have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then you will have the don't cares can be represented as a D, or some people will be represented as X. Any representation you can have. So the don't cares are from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 are the don't care conditions here. Are you able to follow it or not? So this function, these are the min terms and these are the don't care conditions, because we don't have the input for this one. What is the output is producing, we does not bother. Now we will see how to simplify such kind of functions. Now tell me how many variables are there? 4 variables are there. If 4 variables are there, how many cells will be there in the K map? You will have 16 cells. Let me represent that one. Oh, why I have taken this much small? I can take a big one. Okay, are you able to understand? Now let me take the 4 rows and 4 columns are there. Now what is this? For what input these are? The input is A, B and C, D. This function will be represented as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Are you able to follow it or not? Now how to represent this 5? 5 is what? 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. Will you agree with me or not? 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 1 is there, then 0, 1. This is the place you will keep the 1. And 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. Am I right? Okay, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is 6. Then 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. Then 8 is 1, 0, 0 here. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. So all the min terms I have placed. Now let me place the don't cares also. The don't cares, how I will keep it? With the symbol called D. Okay, or symbol called X, it is your wish. Suppose let's take that I am representing the D value here. What is the 10? 10 is nothing but 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. Here you can keep X or you can keep the D. Anything you can keep. Now 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Here you can keep. Now 12, 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. Here you will keep. Okay. 13, 1, 1, 0, 1. 14, here you will keep 1, 1, 1, 0. 15 is this one. So I have kept all the min terms and the don't cares also. Now we have to simplify this expression. How can I simplify it is that, remember one thing. First we need to identify wherever the ones are there. Here ones are there. Here these ones are there. First we need to worry about those ones. How can I group these ones first? Can I group the ones like this? Now check it. Can I group it like this or not? Why I can group like this, sir? You can say that, sir, these two ones only you should have grouped. Now here don't care means the function can produce the output 1 or 0. We are not bothering it. If these don't cares are useful for us in the reduction, we will consider that here 1 is there. because this X meaning is that it can be, don't care meaning is that it can be 1 or 0. That is what the meaning of the don't care, whether we are not bothering whether it is producing output 1 or 0. If it is useful, we are a little bit selfish. If it is useful with this 1, we will consider it as a 1, otherwise it will consider it as a 0. Now, if I combine these two ones, it will form as a group of two ones. If I combine with these 4, it will be useful for me. So I will combine like this 4. Okay, are you able to understand? Now, these two ones and these two I will combine, and with this one I will combine. So how many groups I got? I got the 3 groups. Are you able to understand? These two ones, if I combine alone, I will get a group of only 2 ones. If I combine with these two don't cares, what I will consider? This don't cares I will consider here it as they are producing the output 1. So I will think that I am considering 4 ones. But why I am not considering this one? This is not useful for me when I am joining it. Are you able to understand? Because that is not required. So here I will consider it as producing the output 0. Are you able to understand it or not? So give me 1 minute. Okay, so now what I have to do is that I need to find the min term. How I will find the min term? The common part is 1 0. So 1 0 is nothing but a b complement. Okay, or then this group you have to consider. What is the common part? B, and the common part is C. So BC is the next min term. Then you will have this part, this group, because total we have 3 groups, this group, and this group. Okay, what is this group common part? We need to check the first column. Column is B is common, I will take it, and here D is common. So this is the simplified one. So I hope you have understood how to simplify when there is a don't cares. If they are useful, we will consider. If they are not useful, when we are grouping the ones, we will not consider them. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.